Alright, how you doing? This is Todd Perry, and today we're going to learn how to use snippets to put external form codes in your pages in EBB. External form code is like a form code from Aweber, Traffic Wave, Get Response, whatever. You can use them all right here in your page builder for EBB. Okay, first thing you're going to do is go to our account and go to your snippet categories. You're going to create a new category and you're going to give it the name of the AR that you're using. I just named mine external AR. That's all I did. So you just click on new, you give it a category name. Let's say you're using Aweber, so you do Aweber AR forms. And then you add the category. I'm not going to add that category. I'm just going to use the external. Okay. Once you got that created, then you go back, hover over account, and you go to your snippet library. Once you're in your snippet library, you want to click on new. You want to drop the category down to and select the category that you created. All your categories that you create will show up in red in here. So you want to click on the category you created. Now, you have to know where you want your form to be. Do you want your form in the center of the page? Do you want it next to some text? Or do you want it next to an image? Whichever, you need to know. So we're going to say, we're going to have this AR form center. I'm going to drop this down. I'm going to drop this down because this is going to bring up all the pre-made snippets that are in your account. And I'm going to go down here to images right here. And I'm just going to do a single image. And then I'm going to click OK. And that's going to put an image in the center of the page, of the snippet. So then I'm going to go up here, and this form code that I'm using doesn't adhere to this center tag. So what I have to do is I have to put in the center tag, paste in my form code, then down here where the cursor is flashing, I have to put the end center code, and then I hit OK, and now my form is in the center. So now that's done. I scroll down and I hit add snippet. So that one's done. So when I click on filter and I go over here and I go to external AR and I click on filter, there they are. I have two of them for the center and I have one with AR form on the right. So if I view this, this is what it comes up with. It has it on the right. I'll show you how I did that. Now you can view every one of these snippets just by clicking this spyglass here, and it'll show you all the snippets, show you what that particular snippet looks like. Okay, so now we're going to go to new, and I'm going to create form code right text left. So then I'm going to go back over here and I'm going to go down here and to the images right here. And this one says image right, paragraph left. So I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to click OK. Because I have text on the left and I have image over here. So I'm still going to go into the source code and I'm going to take that image out. And I'm going to put my center tag. You might not have to do this with your form code with the center tag, but with this form code I do. This is from a different AR than the ones I've mentioned. So then I put my end center and I click OK. And now I have my text over here and I have my form code over here. Now you can leave this just like it is and save that snippet. Because once you pull that snippet into your page, then you can put your text in it and other stuff. This is these are just templates. These are just like little snippet templates. So you drag them into your page and then you put whatever text you want in there, and I'll show you that. Now that we have a few of them created, you'll go to your leads, go to your page builder, and you're going to build a page. And you're going to give it a page name. I'm going to name mine to test. And I like my page width to be 900. And then I click continue. And this is how your page is going to look from the get-go. This is how you're going to start off your page. You can edit this content and put whatever content you want up here. But then when you go to get your snippets, you got to go over here where it says your snippets are all, and you scroll down to your AR folder, and you see all my snippets are in here. So I want to use this one. I drag it over, and you see that gray line down bottom? Then I'm going to drop it. And here's my form, and I have to fill out the form, and I can get rid of this if I want it, but I'm just going to leave it there. Now I can edit my text and put whatever text I want over here. I can change the color of it. I can change the size of it. I can change the lining of it. I can change the font. I can bold it. I can change the formatting. I can make it italic. I can create a list. I can create a table. I can put links in. I can clean it. And do all kinds of stuff with this. Now, if you decide that's not where you want your form and you want to use a different snippet, all you have to do is just click that, and it'll take that snippet out, and you go back over and you grab the snippet you want to use. Say you want an image over there with the form, so you put the image over there, and then you just change the image. You can change the image by just clicking here. I personally don't like doing it that way. I would prefer that you use a link to the image. You just click on the edit, and you just edit this image URL. And put a link to the image you want to use. You do have an image library within EBB, and you can store your images and pull them from there. And to do that, you would go to your account and you would go to your image library and open that up in a new tab. And I'm just gonna just grab this one, then I'll grab this link here, copy, close, go back to my page, click on the code, and in between the double quotes I just paste the image in and I click OK, and there it is. That way it keeps the code of the page very clean. It doesn't add a bunch of stuff that doesn't belong. If you click on this image and go that route and upload it from your computer, it adds a bunch of extra coding to the page. So you don't want to do that. Okay. So now once you get your page done, then you hit your save page. There are other settings in creating a page that you can view in the other videos about the page creator. That's it. Have a good day.